Hi, in today's video we are going to talk about virtual reality and augmented reality. Virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality have exciting potential in the future of gaming, marketing, e-commerce, education, and many other fields. Both technologies are known for their enriched experience that brings together a virtual world and the real one with enhanced 3D visuals. Although it can be easy to mix up the two, there are some significant differences. What is augmented reality? Almost any person with a smartphone can get access to augmented reality, making it more efficient than VR as a branding and gaming tool. Augmented reality morphs the mundane, physical world into a colorful, visual one by projecting virtual pictures and characters through a phone's camera or video viewer. Augmented reality is merely adding to the user's real-life experience. What is VR? Virtual reality takes these same components to another level by producing an entirely computer-generated simulation of an alternate world. These immersive simulations can create almost any visual or place imaginable for the player using special equipment such as computers, sensors, headsets, and gloves. What's the difference between the two? The distinctions between VR and augmented reality come down to the devices they require and the experience itself. Augmented reality uses a real-world setting, while VR is completely virtual. Augmented reality users can control their presence in the real world. VR users are controlled by the system. VR requires a headset device, but augmented reality can be accessed with a smartphone. Augmented reality enhances both the virtual and real world, while VR only enhances a fictional reality. And that's all for today. See you in the next video.